Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assemble one of our pocket invitation templates from start to finish. We supply the entire template kit, which includes the enclosure cards and the actual pocket fold envelope. I'm going to show you how to cut, glue, and put together all the components. Our pocket templates are quite easy and they come in two ways. You can either purchase a set with the pocket fold envelope and also the wording in your favorite design, or you can just purchase the pocket envelope by itself, and using our standard enclosure card measurements, you can make your own design. We have specifically made these templates easy to use and can be printed at a home printer using your standard cardstock, and so you don't have to go to a print shop to get them to print them. You can do it right from your own home. If you're wanting to know more about how to get these templates, I'll leave a link to those in the description. So sit back and relax and let's get started.